So I'm here with Will from TeamSport. As you can see behind, he's got lots of activities going on to engage the young kids, getting them engaged in STEM careers and also giving an insight of what it's like being a racing driver. So Will, tell us a little about what you're doing here.
Yeah, brilliant. Look, first of all, thanks for inviting us down today. The Blair Project, it's such a great initiative to get young people, into STEM subjects, and it's great to see so many suppliers here as well, kind of demonstrating what they can offer. So we're down today. We've got a few of our staff members down, and they're going through a lot of the things we do with our BIKC members and our cadet academy. Looking at things like reaction times with catching the ball. I think you see that the two girls are playing the head, shoulders, knees, toes ball game. So they kind of done a bit of this, and yeah, it's really cool. And it's showing that the kind of reaction times that you need on circuit and how that kind of benefits to a faster lap time, I guess.
Yeah, and the BIKC, the British Indoor Karting Championship, is massively growing, and it'd be great to see some of the young females getting involved. Women in motorsport is a massive movement at the minute. We're behind it, TeamSport behind it. We also share the same passion of converting to electricity, to the electric karts. We both used to deal with petrol karts, and now we're going electric. So it's nice to have a company like TeamSport on board with our programme who share the same goals.